Hi everyone, welcome back to Heart and Soul Home. My name is Monica. Today in this video we're going to talk about renovating my powder room and some easy tips that can make a huge impact for not a lot of money. In a small space or a bigger space, you know, it doesn't have to be, oh my gosh, huge amounts of money. It can be cheap and it can be chic and it can be really, really great. So join me and we'll take a little tour. Okay, before we go in, or before I show you, we moved here about 10 years ago. And this bathroom actually right here is the powder room that we use for guests. This actually was never a bathroom to begin with in the original home. Right outside in the garage here was an extremely long like storage. And there still is a storage room out there in the garage. It has my AC unit, the hot water heater, some shelving in there for, I kind of use it for my entertainment, overstock items that I don't use on a, you know, every day or every week basis. So that closet actually ran the whole length of this back wall here. Well, somewhere along the line, somebody, you know, one of the people that lived here decided that it would be convenient to put a bathroom in here for the pool, because the pool is just right on the other side of this in the backyard. But when they did that, they made it a bathroom, but you could only get to it from outside, from the pool area. So it was strictly for pool access. You know what I mean? It wasn't really thought of as a powder room or guest bathroom. It was strictly for the pool, I believe. So when I moved in, I was like, you know, I mean, it would be nice. I mean, I think, you know, the only other bathroom on this floor is my daughter's bathroom, which I didn't really want guests going in there because you never know what that bathroom's going to look like. So, you know, or mine, and I really didn't want people going through my bedroom and go into my bathroom. So we just cut a hole here and put a wall in, and so it can access from the pool area as it originally was, and then also here through the kitchen. And this is, you know, basically where, you know, this house as it is all about the kitchen, family room, dining, I mean, and outside it's all, you know, opened up and it's all for entertaining. So this actually fits in just perfect. So, you know, if you're moving into a house or you're in a house and you're kind of like, well, this doesn't really work, but I wonder how, you know, really start to think through it. You know, could I potentially, you know, put a wall or put a door through here and access this way? You know, there's always, and it's not expensive, you know what I mean? Or it doesn't have to be, you know what I mean? Okay, so here we are at the halfway point. Have all of the tile off. Putting up the beadboard. Here we go. Okay, so day one, we've got the tile off and the beadboard up. And it is looking good. It's exciting. And when I moved in, we had it, and you'll see in the before clips, I had it, a lot of my furniture, a lot of my decor was the jewel tones. You know, the darker, the jewel tones, the dark purples, the greens, a little bit of red, not really. But I like to do something, you know, kind of wow in a small space. So I had it, as you've seen, painted. It was all faux painted, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. But as the years have gone past, and I've changed personally, I just want everything as light and minimal and bright and, you know, not dark and bringing me down type of situation. So right before Christmas, I just, that's how I am. I always come up with grand ideas right before holiday. But right before Christmas, I said, you know what, I laying in bed, what could we do? What could be fun? What's a little bit different? You know, and that kind of stuff. Got the wood wall here. I really don't want to put more wood in there. Got the wood ceilings in the kitchen. You know, so what can I do? And came up with an idea, and it kind of went a little bit old school because it's kind of something that used to be really popular. And I think the shiplap and all that kind of stuff has come in and overtaken it. And I think the shiplap is great and everything, but I have a lot of wood, and I just wanted something different. I just wanted something different that you're not going to see in everybody's home. So with further ado, let me show you, you've seen the before, and now I will show you the after. And here we go. So as you see, the shower is still the same shower. I originally had kind of thought about I wanted to redo the tile, but you know what? It's not used. It's not something that is a major necessity for me, so I was just like, we'll leave it. But you can see I did the beadboard, the old school beadboard. It gives a little bit of texture, kind of like a shiplap would, and you know, but it's a little bit different. So we painted the walls. The walls are repost gray by Sherwin-Williams. And then we painted the ceiling as well. And I got this at Hobby Lobby when it was on sale. And I just think it gives a nice little grounding, the wood tone that takes it into the, because all around my French doors are the wood, and then I've got wood ceiling in my niches in the kitchen. So I thought that kind of tied in nicely. And I just think it's really a beautiful piece. All, you know, same vanity and toilet. Just got this little, you know, new toilet paper roll holder. Lost my head for a second there. A little basket to hold towels and paper towels. Like I said, well, this was pretty much the same. Same vanity. Same mirror, hello. As my granddaughter does, hello, hello. But I just got this new little plant here just to bring some greenery. We have our Valentine's, you know, decor out right now. But all of this is the same. Got a few little new pieces of artwork and stuff. But this is the door that actually goes out to the pool. So this is the pool access. So if we want, we can have this door unlocked and people can come from the pool and they can still, you know, use this bathroom, but it actually is now a dual purpose. So, you know, that's worked out really, really great. But as you can see, what a difference. Just, you know, a fresh coat of paint, a lighter paint, the white with the beadboard. You know, we did put some new trim down. You know, I mean, it wasn't expensive. I think this whole bathroom with the paint and everything was about, I would say with a little bit of labor help that I had, was probably $300. And, oh, I did get a new light fixture, a little bit more of a farmhouse kind of goes with this, this, you know, decor a little bit better, but not expensive. You can get so much, you know, bang for your buck, and it just, you know, it really makes a huge difference. So I just, you know, I invite you to, you know, take a little chance, do something a little different, a little bold if that's what you want, you know, maybe a wallpaper, maybe, you know, some of the wood wall inside it, you know, something. This has been so incredibly amazing. I love that this is all, it wasn't pre-done, it was just, you know, putting wood up and staining it, getting in the right stain till we were happy. It has made such a difference in my kitchen. You know, this is a different stain, but it goes with it. You know, just in my little niche here in the ceiling, and I have one on the other side as well. You know, just taking little ideas like that and you know, creating a special space for your home. You know, it's easy to do, and it makes such an impact. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration and some ideas maybe, or gets your mind going for some ideas that you could have to create just a special place in your home. Again, your home should tell your story, and it should be about what you love and surrounded by things that you love, and just tell your story. If it's travel, if it's family, if it's sports, if it's all the above, your home should create a story that tells your life. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope if you're new, I do all home and cleaning and organizing, gardening, decor. If that's something that you're interested, please subscribe down below and hit the notification button, because you never know, I do sometimes pop in a special one. I do post on Wednesdays, and then if I have a bonus video, it will be on a Saturday. But I would love for you to join this community. Comment below where you're from, what your hobbies, what you love to do, what's your why you love, you know, home, or what you're trying to do in your home that I could maybe help you with. Have a great day, and I'm excited to see you for next week, because next week is a big quarterly clean and organized by zone that I'm going to help you through. So I'm really excited about that one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.